Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying this Members Mark oven, grill, and fryer cleaner to see if it'll clean up my smoker. Just regular water. So good. If you can see, there's a lot of grease that has been taken off. I'm gonna continue doing this, just continue repeating the process until I get it as clean as I want. But for right now, it looks like it is working. We're looking at oven, grills, and fryer cleaners. So now I'm gonna go see if it'll work on my actual smoker itself. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually going to just clean the door. This material is the same material as the inside of the smoker. Just throw in a little bit of water, see what happens. I have yet to have to scrub anything, and look, the window looks very, very clean already, but we'll see. That's pretty good. I mean, one pass with this Members Mark commercial oven, grill, and fryer cleaner, and it's pretty much almost like new. I'm gonna give it another pass. Hell, I might even go into my actual smoker itself. I don't know. It was so easy. This thing works pretty good. I guess I'm gonna finish off my entire smoker. But yeah, guys, if you ever see these, I'm gonna see if I can find a link to this on Amazon. I know you can for sure get it at Sam's, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and highly recommend you guys use this if you want to clean your smoker, or even your grills outside your regular barbecue pits. This has been the Smoking Beard. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the flip side.